Hello, this is Michael Tellinger. Today is the 12th of January 2020. Another year is gone and another time to make an update video on the Klerksdorp Sphere that is in the Sotne Circle Museum that cracked many years ago and continues cracking as it is exposed to the torus stones nearby. So I'm going to turn the camera around now and just walk you in and show you what the latest status is on the cracked Klerksdorp Sphere. The crack is getting bigger and bigger, and I don't think it's going to last much longer before the existing fragment that is cracked again is actually going to split into two. It's the biggest fragment, as you'll see, that is cracked. So let's take a look at this and get a final update before our Klerksdorp Sphere cracks and splits open again, possibly for the last time. We'll see. It's not really at this stage, I have no idea if it's going to crack again after this, but this is clearly an event that happened as soon as we brought the torus stone that crashed the TSA security system, as soon as we brought that back, and some other torus stones that we placed in close proximity to the Klerksdorp Sphere, which is probably about 2 years ago now, when this new crack appeared. So let's turn this camera around and have a look. Here is our display of torus stones in the middle of our display table as you come in. So you can see they're different shapes and sizes. And just to remind you once again, the torus stones are also under the table over there. We have a collection there of beautiful torus stones that we found on farms, and farm workers have collected them, that we went and bought from these farm workers, and at least they made a little bit of money for their effort. And then the big ones, the important ones over here, the torus stone that is that crashed the TSA security system in Doha. That is the one. But let's look at our Klerksdorp Sphere. You can see it is in a number of fragments. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 larger fragments and one very tiny one. But it's the big one on the side here that has now been cracking for almost 2 years, I suppose. I'll have to go back and check the date when we first found it. And this crack is now probably a good 2 millimeters, maybe a little bit more, maybe 3 millimeters. It's just getting bigger and bigger all the time. It's quite incredible. So I look forward to see what happens. You can see there's a second crack at the back of the stone on the right. And once again, this white, fluffy, powdery substance, it almost looks like a fungus growing on the stone. That has been growing on it for 10 years now. I have not removed it. I don't know what it is. We do need to take a sample of this and send it for testing to see what it is that's actually growing on this Klerksdorp Sphere. And there it is. There's the crack as it appears on the 12th of January 2020. Okay. Until next time and our next update, this is Michael Tellinger in the Sotne Circle Museum. Bye for now.